Respected GTO sir and all dear gentlemen, my today's topic is artificial intelligence. What it is and what is the definition actually we are going to ahead. Now first of all, the artificial intelligence is the ability of a machine, of a robot or of a computer, okay, to process the information just like a human being, and that is called the artificial intelligence. It can learn, analyze and adopt the new information and perform different type of functions such as learning, planning, reasoning, decision making and problem solving. Today we are living in the era of machines and robotics, right? Okay, and we depend on different type of machines for our daily activities. For example, we use AC, alternate currents and microwave ovens, cameras, computers, fridges and work on artificial intelligence. Totally they are dedicated towards the artificial intelligence. And now artificial intelligence can change war using autonomous drones, robotics and nano robots, attacking robots, high-tech fighter jets, less with armament equipments totally, okay, like B-2 bomber, F-22 Raptor and F-35 fighter jet and P-8I submarine hunter killer jet. On the other hand, budget allocated to Ministry of Defense is around 4.78 lakhs crore. Various deal on accord of 36 Rafale, and the deal is going on. Rafale already have made 2 bases in India, okay. France and S-400, Russia third, and Israel Kalyani M4, Vajra, and also the all technical equipments right now are including day by day. Request for information after RFI has been issued for the Arjun Mark 1 Alpha tank, and some people says it can destroy human civilization if goes wrong hands. Definitely I agree with this point, that if this will be in wrong hands of militants like Afghanistan, Taliban and some other Boro and Boko Haram, other like terrorist organizations will use, then definitely it can be fatal, dangerous and disastrous for the human being or globally, okay. And human making lazy, nuclear warfare destroy world. And basically I can say this artificial intelligence making human lazy, and it is very dangerous when a nuclear or even a biological warfare has started. And on the other hand, we can say NVG helmets for pilots are coming, pillar and chaps, and autopilot system, missile warning systems, and AWACS air warning control approaching system are also coming these days. And weather radar synchronization, which works on 120-degree angle azimuth, are also accompanying with the aircraft and fighter jets. So these all the machinization is basic on the artificial intelligence. So dear gentlemen, this is very, even there are 2 pros and cons. Everything have pros and cons, and we have to be only maintain a criteria, and we have to be used in a positive direction these type of artificial intelligence equipments, okay. So in the last I would say, do your well and give your 100% positive direction. So see you all in the last. Goodbye.